So I got a question right here. Figure to OAB triangle in which OA is equals to 2A, OB is equals to 12B, and the point D is the midpoint of OA and the point C is the midpoint of OB. The point E on AB is such that AE ratio AB is equals to 1:4. Find in terms of A and B, simplify your answer where possible, right? So I'm gonna do the first part, which is AB, right? To find AB. So from the triangle, let me draw it out real quick. So this is my triangle, right? And this is the stuff. Okay. So this is D, this is A, this is F, and this is B, and this is basically O, and over here is E, right? And as we know, this is the midpoint from here, right, as well. So it's 6A. I will explain why I did this 6A, and this is A, and this is A. The total from O to A, or O to A is basically 2A, right? And from O to B is basically 12B. And we know that the point C is the midpoint, right? So midpoint means it's gonna be divided by 2. It's gonna be half, right? Half here, half here. So it's 6A. Yeah, so it's 6B. My bad. 6B, right? And over here is basically going to be A, so it's going to be 2A, right? OA, it's also the D point is the midpoint, right? So we know that AB is basically, AO plus OB. Why I said this? Because we need to follow the head to tail rule, right? So AB, I need to find basically AB, right? This distance right here, right? AB, this having this distance right here, right? So I know to go over here, I need to go all over here, right? So it's AO basically going from this opposite motion, right? So AO and OB going here, right? So it's had to follow the head to tail rule. Head to tail rule says basically this is my first line. My second line should be from the head of the first line, right? Yeah, this is my second line should be on the head of the first line, and then the resultant is basically should be from the tail of the first line to the head of the second line, as happening over here. This is my resultant. This is my first line, this is my second line, and I have did over here same thing as well. So I have AO as basically negative 2A. Why? Because I'm going in opposite direction, right? It gave me OA value, which is 2A now. Now I have written as AO, right? So it's basically going the opposite way. So it's negative 2A plus OB is basically 12B, right? So I get my answer as basically this negative 2A plus 12B, right? This is my final answer.